Have you ever found yourself in a cycle of falling for the wrong people? Maybe you've been in relationships that have left you feeling drained, unhappy, and unfulfilled. Perhaps you keep dating people who are emotionally unavailable, commitment phobic, or just plain toxic. Whatever the reason may be, it can be frustrating and disheartening to keep making the same mistakes in your love life. In fact, research has shown that we often fall for people who have traits or behaviors that are similar to those of our caregivers or past romantic partners, even if those traits are negative. So why do we keep falling for the wrong people? In this video, we're going to explore 5 key reasons why this might be happening to you. From childhood experiences to cognitive biases, we'll examine the psychology behind our attraction patterns and uncover some practical strategies for breaking the cycle. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of why you keep choosing partners who are not a good match for you, and more importantly, you will have the tools to start making different choices in your love life. So get ready to dive deep into the complex world of attraction and discover how to find the love that truly nourishes your soul. Reason 1. Lack of self-esteem. Lack of self-esteem is a primary factor that leads us to choose the wrong people in our lives. When we don't truly value ourselves, we settle for relationships that don't meet our standards. It's important to understand the profound impact that low self-esteem can have on our mental well-being. Those who lack self-worth are more susceptible to developing anxiety, depression, and even thoughts of self-harm. Therefore, it is crucial to prioritize the development of a healthy sense of self-esteem. By recognizing our own value and worth, we increase our chances of attracting partners who will love and respect us as we deserve. Remember, investing in our own self-worth is a powerful step toward cultivating meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Reason 2. Familiarity. Have you ever found yourself drawn to someone who reminds you of an ex-partner or someone from your past? This phenomenon is referred to as the familiarity principle, where we subconsciously seek out what we know and what feels comfortable to us. However, this familiarity may not always yield positive outcomes for us, particularly when it comes to our romantic relationships. The familiarity principle can be a double-edged sword in our romantic relationships. While seeking comfort in the known can offer a sense of security, it's imperative to recognize when this pattern may be harmful and actively work towards breaking it. By becoming more conscious of our attraction patterns, we can begin to make better choices for ourselves and break free from the negative cycles of the past. Reason 3. Negative childhood experiences. Research indicates that childhood experiences significantly impact the development of an individual's beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors toward relationships. Negative childhood experiences, such as abuse, neglect, and parental conflict, can result in the formation of insecure and disorganized attachment patterns. Such attachment patterns may lead to a profound fear of intimacy, low self-esteem, and an inability to trust others. It is crucial to acknowledge that negative childhood experiences impact individuals at a deep level and can require professional support to overcome. By unpacking and addressing these past experiences and their impacts, individuals can work towards healing and developing positive beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors towards relationships. Reason 4. Unrealistic expectations. We live in a world where media often presents love and relationships through a lens of perfection, creating unrealistic expectations and fostering a belief in fairy tale endings and eternal happiness. Unfortunately, no one person can fulfill all our needs or match our expectations perfectly, leading to frustration and tension in the relationship. It's crucial to recognize that no one is perfect, including ourselves. Rather than seeking out an idealized version of a partner, it's important to focus on finding someone who is compatible with us and willing to grow and learn together. By being open-minded and flexible, we increase our chances of finding a partner who meets our needs in a healthy and fulfilling way. Reason 5. Fear of being alone. The fear of being alone is a powerful emotion that can drive many of us to seek out companionship, sometimes at any cost. However, this often leads to unhealthy and unfulfilling relationships. Additionally, the fear of being alone can also lead to codependent relationships where individuals rely on their partners for validation and feelings of self-worth. These types of relationships are often unhealthy and can prevent individuals from fully developing into their true selves. It's essential to recognize that being alone does not equate to loneliness. Rather than settling for someone who is not a good match, we should embrace our independence and use it as an opportunity to focus on self-growth and discovering what we truly want in a partner. As we near the conclusion of this video, it is important to keep in mind that self-awareness is a continuous journey, and it's never too late to start. Whether you're single, in a relationship, or navigating a breakup, you can always learn and grow from each experience and choose to create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video, and I hope it has provided you with some valuable insight and tools to help you break free from this cycle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on personal growth, relationships, and mental health. And don't forget to comment below and share your own insights and challenges related to finding the right partner. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself and keep shining your light.